you struck him out.
Yes.
So you're used to that. Trump jumping there.
You know, everybody strikes out occasionally. You should know you're in Cleveland.
I want to talk to you about these two studies because you're on myPhDweightloss.com, by sponsor of our show. The MIT scientists twisted apart 1,000 Oreos. Did you take part in that study?
No, it's a moron study because there's one way to do it perfectly every time, and you don't need to throw money in a study.
And coffee in your heart. 66% of Americans had coffee yesterday. They're the backbone of the country. Did you have coffee yesterday?
I did not. I have. Have you ever met me?
And I had. And has it been that long since my PhD weight loss allow either Oreos or coffee?
On maintenance mode, yes. On diet mode, no. You're not going to be eating a lot of Oreos if you're trying to lose weight.
Have you had an Oreo since you went into vacation? You lost 50 pounds in 12 weeks in the fall, and you're still skinny. 864-644-1900. That's 864-644-1900. Or go to myPhDweightloss.com. You lost your 50 pounds. Have you had an Oreo since then?
I have.
Did you eat all of the lemonade cookies that the fetching machine? You brought me 8 Dosey Does and only 4 lemonade cookies.
That's all that we had left in inventory.
What do you think the fetching Mrs. Hewitt thinks about a 2-to-1 advantage in the Hue cookies versus the lemonade cookies?
Well, if she's intelligent, she would think that she should have gotten her order in sooner when she could have gotten it if she wanted.
Can we get that tape sent to me, Adam? If she's intelligent. Can we get that tape sent to me? Who writes the check to Trilenium? That's got nothing to do with it. The Vice President Trilenium Production is the fetching Mrs. Hewitt, and should have put her order in sooner. I'm just going to play that for her. It's her own doggone fault. Is that what you're saying?
Should we go and talk about the total food?
No, I want to go to myPhDweightloss.com. Are you looking for a meaningful way to preserve our nation's history? Consider purchasing a Blueprints of Liberty brick. Each purchase helps to build Liberty Village, a unique destination that brings our founding history to life. This family-friendly location will provide an opportunity for youth and visitors to encounter our founding history like never before. Visit UnitedWePledge.org to order your Blueprints of Liberty brick today. If you have an IRA...
Attention Medicare recipients. Anyone turning 65. Medicare has approved new benefits not included with original Medicare and older Medicare Advantage plans. You may not be getting all of the benefits you're entitled to, including in-home aid, telephone appointments with your doctor, home-delivered meals and prescriptions. These benefits may be available, and it's a free call to enroll. The new plans may also offer free eyeglasses, free hearing aids, free wellness visits, and gym memberships. Call the Medicare Benefits line now. It's easy. Call 800-316-3280. 800-316-3280. Find out if you're eligible for new benefits like meal and prescription delivery, in-home aid, and telemedicine. Some plans may have a $0 monthly premium or zero copays for big out-of-pocket savings. Not all Medicare Advantage plans are alike. The new plans have more benefits for many people. Call 800-316-3280. 800-316-3280. 800-316-3280. The cost of everything is going up. It's got you re-examining your priorities in a big way. If you had thoughts of a private school for your child, where a well-rounded curriculum, individual attention, and an emphasis on values provide the foundation for success, well, we've got great news. Right now on our website, you'll find tuition vouchers for some of the best, most prestigious private schools available at half price. Learn more and explore our list of participating schools at 868ontheanswer.com.
Dr. Golka here, and you know me. I am very cynical about products, especially those that claim to help people suffering from pain. So when I tell you that Relief Factor truly works, I want you to know 70% of the more than 500,000 people who have tried Relief Factor end up ordering more. That's because it works for them the way it worked for me. Isn't it time for you to get out of pain? Your first step to becoming pain-free should be to order the 3-week quick start for the discounted price of only $19.95. Go to relieffactor.com or call 800-4-RELIEF to find out more about this offer. Feel the difference.
Hi, Doug Andrew here. 4 questions. Did you or someone you know lose money in the market in 2008? Do you think a crash like that will happen again? Do you want to have what happened to your money last time happen again? What are you doing differently to prevent that? If your retirement savings are invested in the market, reposition that money and protect it from losses sooner than later. Learn how to make money safely with little to no downside risk. Join us for one of 5 Retire by Design workshops. We're coming to teach free workshops in Morgan Hill, Palo Alto, Danville, Orinda, and Burlingame, Wednesday through Friday, May 17th through the 19th. Call now to register and get details. 1-888-73-RADIO. That's 1-888-73-RADIO, which is 1-888-737-2346, which is 1-888-737-2346.
I'm Michael Harrington in Washington. Residents across a wide swath of the South and Midwest assessing the destruction today brought by hurricanes, I should say tornadoes rather, that were dropped all across the region Friday and Saturday, killing at least 26 people. Storms tore a path through the Arkansas capital. They smashed the roof of a packed concert venue in Illinois. People throughout the region say they were stunned at the depth, breadth, and scope of the assault. Former Arkansas Governor Asa Hutchinson says he's running for president in 2024, offering himself as an alternative for Republicans. The 72-year-old former governor joins a bill that includes former President Trump and former United Nations Ambassador Nikki Haley. And the State Department says Secretary of State Anthony Blinken is urging his Russian counterpart in a rare phone call to immediately release a Wall Street Journal reporter detained last week. This is SRN News.
Americans, here, with 2 days left in our Lenten campaign to help the lost and the least of Central America and the Caribbean. You folks have been so generous. Thank you so much. And Rainey tells us about the scope of the work of Food for the Poor around the globe, and I ask you to participate in it.
That setup includes a very large-scale logistics and distribution capability. So we ship about between 3,000 and 4,000 containers every year. That goes into those 20 countries. It's been our mission for 40 years. So through our church networks in all these countries, we're able to safely hand out and really get the aid where it needs to be.
That is where you need to be, helping Food for the Poor this Lent. They have a banner at the top of HughHewitt.com. You cannot miss it. It says in its entirety, give food, give life. And Food for the Poor has been doing this for 40 years. It's rice, beans, and water, clean water. It is occasionally something bigger than that, but if they're just keeping people alive, it's good, healthy calories, and they deliver them. $72 will feed 2 hungry children in Guatemala twice a day for a full year. But you got to go to HughHewitt.com, hit that banner, or call. You can also call 855-359-4673. It's not going to hurt you anymore after tomorrow, but I'm urging you, make this your Lenten devotion. Now, I want to jump back over, if I can, to Mike Pompeo on Fox News yesterday with Dana Perino, talking about Xi in Moscow. 2 clips I want you to hear. Cut number 22.
Okay. Oh.